Hello, myself Kavish Kumar from KV number 3, Nal Bikaner. I am going to say few words on the topic COVID-19 fitness at home, a feedback. The COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown in most nations across the globe has significantly altered lifestyles as people became homebound. What was once considered normal took a backseat, transforming the way we live, work, shop, study, and interact with one another, at least for now. We gradually slipped into a new normal and realized how simple things like going for a week in the neighborhood park or enjoying a meal with friends was once taken for granted. The onset of the pandemic has completely transformed things for staying fit and active has never been this important. Being active and playing sports is scientifically proven to build stronger immunity, which is the need of the hour at a time like this, and helps in being more optimistic and confident as well. The pandemic fundamentally altered how people view sports and fitness. Staying fit is seemed to be difficult amid the COVID-19 crisis. After all, what can you do to be healthy and fit while staying at home? However, it looks like there are ways to give your body the right dose of exercise even at home. Trainers and fitness training companies have come up with videos, one-on-one interactions online to help people continue their fitness regime even in time of crisis. These online fitness classes have become more relevant to people in the present situation. More people are realizing the importance of for good health. There has been a shift in priority when it comes to health due to the outbreak. People are managing work as well as fitness now while they are at home. The initiative is in association with the government flagship fitness movement Fit India. The program includes featuring like electric mix of yoga, daily functional exercises with emphasis of lower body, upper body and core, along with stamina and flexibility. A meal by meal diet plan, a 10 minutes meditation for relaxation program to help calm your mind and relieve stress during these test timings. This new trend is keeping India fit. Certainly, the physical benefits described above all make the emergency responder better prepared to do the job and more resilient to its physical exhaust. However, it may be the mental benefits of physical activity that are most important at his time. While we are always known exercise seem to improve our mood, the positive mood effects of physical activity may persist longer than thought. Only 20 minutes of aerobic exercise at moderate intensity resulted in improvement in mood both immediately and for up to 12 hours afterwards. It is important to distinguish between physical activity and purposeful exercise. Exercise is typically international, something we plan to do and have a purpose in doing. It often involves repeating the same exercise while gradually increasing resistance or intensity. Physical activity, on the other hand, is simply anything that requires energy. This can be any moving around we do throughout the day and might include walking, gardening, riding a bicycle, etc. While it may be difficult to find time during the pandemic for consistent international exercise, it is easier to find ways to be physically active. Physical active alone won't prepare us entirely for us. While the benefits of prioritizing fitness are clear, keeping activity as part of our routine may be more of a challenge. Fitness facilities are currently shut down. Not every fire and EMS station has a full complement and some have non-volunteer responder may not have access to equipment at their homes. While the COVID-19 pandemic has disturbed our normal routine, we should not allow it to disturb our personal fitness as responder at a time when stress and anxiety are at all-time high for many emergency responders. Maintaining a regime of physical fitness can provide some benefits to help migrate those stressors on the top of preparing us physically to do the job. The improvement in mood brought on by moderate intensity physical activity can be a game changer for our psyche. Be active, be creative, stay motivated, stay fitness a priority and stay safe every time out the door. So stay safe, stay healthy.